I go by the name of G5 like this. She got a nigga like ass fat like walk him down like pack loud like stay dangerous. Call it what you want, Ben Frank. Fuck something. Put your hands on that table, don't break, baby. Do it with no hands, she ain't even gotta touch nothing. I'm tryna make the bitch leave, but she keep coming. Chop it ass, chop it down, yeah, I'm on that. I'll walk them down, make them run that.
God damn, this ain't even day one yet, and it's already mega active. We in garage space number 5, so let's get there, offload. 5. Shut it off. Winterjam, for real.
On behalf of the Raceway, thank you for coming. This is always a great event. Too bad it's raining. It'll make it spice it up a little bit in the next couple days. Just a few housekeeping items. We've had kind of an issue going on. Not you guys yet, but let's make sure that there's no, you adhere to all smoking signs, no smoking, vaping, anything inside the buildings.
What's happening with y'all? This is a 2025 Winter Jam edition. Top of the hill, we're gonna run Summer Jam layout first. Jalen's right there in front of me. Of course, he is wet. And, you know, that comes with its own set of challenges. Trying to wait for the fog to lift. But, these are the conditions that we're given. What's up, brother? How are you?
Morning.
Good morning.
Good.
How's everything?
Good. We just gotta wait for that fog to clear up because I can't see my flagger.
Yeah, you can't see the, yep.
Yeah, hopefully the next 10 minutes really. Because it keeps fading in and out.
Gotcha.
We'll see what happens.
I just cannot let my car be filthy like that. So with all the mud and the wheel wells and the wheels, I went up to wash station at the facilities to clean the car. Jalen also let me know this car was having issues at this current time, so we game plan what was going on with that. All right, so I think I found the source of our troubles with Jalen's convertible. The problem I believe that we are having is that his alternator is dead. So I was looking at his voltage, his lights is flickering and all kinds of shit. That might be what our problem is, but the kids say he was fiending and he really wanted to make some runs. So he's in my car right now.
No, but I act like we're not.
So this is day 2 of Winterjam. It hasn't gone exactly as planned, but it has not been bad. Spent a little bit of time fiddling with Jalen's car to try to figure something out. We thought it was fuel pump. We thought it was alternator. We thought it was all kind of things. But everything is sorted on it. It runs a little bit better, but the mass airflow seems to be the issue. Not a big deal, because he spent a lot of time driving my car while I was trying to designate or while I was trying to diagnose the issues. So we've had fun. We just didn't get the tandems in that I wanted to get in. So that's cool. I'm going up to a course I've never driven before. This is actually my first drive of the day. So I am going to take it easy. So this is the S's in reverse, and then you pop into the teardrops, loop around, go up the high sides, and come across back down the drag strip. So if there's rainwater running down from the hills, you'll get a little river running through it. I've never personally driven it. I want to drive and see what our competitors are experiencing. Got it. I ain't get it in my 3 runs, but we're moving. Nobody wants to run tandems? and then once you get the wheel speed, then you can back off throttle a little bit. So yeah, we came out of there in second gear at basically no RPM. Usually at about 30 or like 28 PSI. But I just wanted to see, like, it's a better time than any to try low pressure.
Right about there, that's where we loaded up and we headed to the crib. So awesome events. A couple days later, man, really good time. I really like the vibes that everybody has at Winterjam. It's become a custom for everybody to be genuinely good people. So the Winterjam events are always a top tier event that you should get to if you're in the California area, if you're nearby, so you can travel and come on down. Jalen's car, like I said, we tried to sort voltage, we tried to sort new alternators, we tried all kind of things. Thank you to homie that came down. He was with us with the Yellow FD at the Thrash event. He's been all over the place with us at Super D, stuff like that, but he popped in and brought an alternator. Alternator fixed a little bit, but it didn't clear up everything. So Jeff thinks it's a mass airflow. The mass airflow might have gotten wet, something, who knows. But it has been raining quite a bit, so we'll sort that out very soon, get Jalen back in the mix. I didn't get to do the tandems I wanted to, so that's why I was trying to jump in, get some tandems on the skid pad. Got a little bit of a bumpy bump, but really nothing happened to the car. This is really the only thing that happened. Broke off a little bit of fiberglass, but that's really no big deal. A couple of cracks here. It's just fiberglass things. Clean it all up with fire, but look at that hood. That Pro Style wrap came in clutch a couple days before the event. They got that hood done for me. That's something that I've wanted to get done for a few months now. So this is this car's 13th Winterjam, I believe it is. So yeah, it's done its thing. It's done its damn thing. These full weighs down on 20 PSI was wildin'. So I definitely know if I need to get some real good sticky grip to chase some fast dudes, I could drop those down to dub. I'm gonna enjoy some of this rare sunshine. We've been under fog for 26 days straight, and now we got some sunshine. So I'm all about that. I'm gonna get y'all too, and I'm gonna enjoy my day. Oh yeah, Merry Christmas. Tomorrow's Christmas. It's Christmas Eve right now. So Merry Christmas, y'all. Enjoy. And I'm gonna be out.